The next airdrop we're going to do is QURA. Can you put a quick like on the video, subscribe to the channel? Down below in the description box of this video, you should see a Telegram bot link. Just click on that and it will take you right to this. And we're going to click start on the airdrop bot. Next, we're going to go down and click join giveaway. First thing I want you to do is follow. You're going to open. You're going to follow Hobbit. Bring that down. Then go to the tweet. And on this tweet, they're looking for you to like the tweet and also put in a comment. And that's a comment they want. I vote QURA Global. Hashtag, hashtag, hashtag. Then hit enter or hit reply. And then you'll go to your main page on Twitter. Click on your profile. And then you go over to tweets and replies. Click on that. Then you'll click on the QURA Global. And you'll copy the URL up top. Then you'll copy and paste it right into here. You'll click on this. Then it wants your ERC20 wallet address. And then just copy and paste that into here. This seems like it's a quick airdrop. And we're done voting. And referral. Shows your balance. Copy the link. Check out the withdrawals, see what happens. 325. Oh, drain. You get your referral link. They'll probably update this manually. And that's the end of this airdrop. Please subscribe to the channel, and we're off to the next one.